Let me see. I will ask. I'm pretty? Oh. Are you lying? I'm ugly? If my friend poop, you will throw up? Next question, please. If I eat food, if I eat, you will say poop? Don't say that, please. Please. I'm begging you, please. Oh, don't do that ever again, alright? Next question. If I get married, you will come to my wedding? Next question. If I'm dead, you will come to my funeral? Please. If you get married, you will save seat for me? Please. Please. Next question. Are you pretty? I'm pretty? I'm pretty? Istubol. Are you sure you're pretty? I'm smart or not? What is that? Maybe. Are you? If I got a boyfriend, you will support me? Sure. Okay, thanks. Last question. If I die and you get married, you will save seat. Will you save seat for me? Yeah.